Are you a 5th grade teacher searching for exciting math worksheets to engage your students? Check out these 5 self-checking mystery picture math worksheets, perfect for 5th graders and easily assignable via Google Sheets. What are mystery picture math worksheets? These interactive worksheets make practicing math skills fun. Students answer questions to reveal a hidden image bit by bit. Correct answers uncover the picture, providing instant feedback with minimal prep or grading time for teachers. Here's a few reviews from teachers telling us how engaged their students are. Feel free to check out our store, in teacherspayteachers.com, Gamified EduTech, for more reviews. Today, I'm sharing 5 unique worksheets, each with a captivating theme. You can find these and more at our Teachers Pay Teachers Gamified store. Stay tuned and learn how to grab these templates for free for your 5th graders. All right, the first one is 5 worksheets with 100 unique questions total to master multiplying 4-digit by 2-digit numbers. Students will love revealing animal-themed images featuring a koala, bear, bunnies, and more. Add mixed fractions with different denominators to practice those mixed fractions addition. 5 different worksheets with 5 different mystery pictures of animals for a delightful challenge. Next, least common denominator practice. 100 unique questions in 5 worksheets to hone your students' skills in finding the least common denominator, or LCD. These worksheets feature animals in cozy fall weather theme. Next, equivalent ratios activity, find X. Another 5 worksheets to practice finding equivalent ratios. Students will be thrilled to uncover images inspired by the classic tales. Alibaba, Jack and the Beanstalk, The Boy Who Cried Wolf, to name a few. Lastly, converting Arabic to Roman numerals. 100 questions in 5 worksheets to master converting numbers from 1 to 100 to Roman numerals. The spring-themed images include spring flowers, a hiking scene, a lemonade stand, a forest awakening, and bird watching. All right, so how do you get these worksheets for free? It's very easy. Go to our community at school.com. It's called Gamified EduTech. Create a free account, after which you can head to the Classroom tab. Once you're in the Classroom tab, make sure to look for the free samples and worksheets tile. And then click through it and then scroll down. You should be able to find all these 5th grade worksheets for you to download. All right, if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe so you'll see all the videos we create. All right, thank you and have a good day. Bye now.